Welcome to Momo Cooking Channel. Make this healthy and delicious snack at home. Healthy, crunchy, cute snack. Healthy, not oily snack for your family. Ingredients are pasta, butter, herbs, and your favorite sauce. For our pasta, I use Prego Buddies pasta. It comes with cute space theme, so cute. Look at those cute pasta. Love it so much. It comes with 3 colors, but actually it tastes the same to me, haha. Cook pasta until softened for approximately 9 to 12 minutes. Drained and set aside. We will make to flavor today. Split pasta evenly into 2 bowls. For sweet sour flavor, season the pasta with butter, herbs, curry powder, and sweet sour sauce. Garlic curry flavor to season with salt, garlic salt powder, curry powder, and butter. Mix well with cooking oil. Pour pasta into preheated air fryer basket. Air fried at 200 degrees for 5 minutes. Sweet sour herbs flavor is done. Air fried garlic curry flavor at 200 degrees 5 minutes also. Garlic curry flavor is done. Smells so good. Into plate and let it cool. After cooled, it'll turn crispy, so tasty. Look at the cute crunchy pasta, yummy. Make this to replace snack, healthier choice for your kids. Share this recipe with your family too. Surprise them with the cute pasta snack. Change the flavor and season the pasta as you like. Is so easy. It tastes similar to cornflakes. Remember it, let it cook to turn crunchy. Do follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah. Let's bake delicious butter potatoes today. Let's start now. Ingredients are potatoes and butter. Slice potatoes with chopstick at both sides. Whoa! To avoid cutting the end. Melt butter and seasoning with herbs and salt. Brush butter evenly on potatoes. Springy black pepper and garlic powder. fried potatoes at 100-degree 20 menu. Remove potatoes from air fryer. Wow, smells so good. Yummy. Brush potatoes with remaining butter. And optional to sprinkle more herbs on top. This air-fried butter herbs potatoes is super delicious. You must try it. Share this recipe with your family. They will love it too. Good to make this for quick breakfast or quick meal. It's so delicious. You will definitely know how delicious it is if you have tasted curry powder omelette. It's easy and anyone can make this delicious omelette at home. You just need 2 ingredients for this recipe: 3 eggs and bitter gourd. Chopped bitter gourd horizontally and vertically. Crack eggs into bowl and mixed well. Season with light soy sauce, pepper powder and curry powder, then beat egg until frothy. Heat oil in fried egg. Don't flip it first and let the bottom solidify. Flip when bottom solidified and let it fry. Look at the egg. You can smell the egg and curry powder fragrant now. Fried for 1 minute. Bitter gourd omelette is done. Wow! Don't worry, bitter gourd does not taste bitter at all. Curry powder blended well with egg and bitter gourd. This omelette tastes really good. You will fall for it. Try and share this recipe with your family. Do follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah. Weekly recipes will be available on Monday, containing videos of previous week too. Don't miss it. Thanks for watching. Do follow my channel, yeah. See you in next video.